Today I'm going to narrate a short story on the topic dead men talking. They like to sit on my lap and rummage through my pockets for chocolates and chewing gum. They were calm the entire day until my old car sped into the backyard at 5:15 p.m. after work. Jojo, they would yell together, almost stumbling down the steps, each one pulling the other back just to be the first one to hold my fragile hands. The last one, most often the toddler, would watch me from the doorsteps with tear-filled eyes. Inside, my grandchildren fought to take my shoes off and sit on my lap. The evening was my favorite. Time for youthful vigor would once again spread into my veins, and I momentarily forgot an old man's mundane affairs as I played with these tender hearts. But to dust must all ultimately return, and so did I. One cold morning, that was yesterday. People I had known and many I had never seen had come from near and far, bringing with them oil for butter lamps to light my way, incense and assortments of food. It is strange that in 70 years of life, I never once had so many guests in my house as I see today. How many ironic that so many dishes are prepared for me when I no longer need them. I see all this in my new form as a wandering spirit who is expected not to know of his exit, but I need about my death this morning. In the newspaper, today's paper typically carries yesterday's news. The news reported, among other things, that Tasho Penjo had died peacefully, presumptuous bastards. In one corner, an elderly lady asking how I died is told. The astrologer said his life force was spent. Her eyes radiate with reverence for the astrologer and for his great spiritual knowledge. I moved through the crowd, which seems to be there day and night, not letting me get a wink of sleep. A few men pitch tents and arrange chairs and tables. Others in the kitchen cater to the many idling outside who have not seen get up from their chairs since morning except to get a can of beer or cold drink. A festive party is being held in my honor, and the only person missing is me. I wonder still. Finally, I see myself. There they had set me up on an altar decorated with flowers and a white silk scarf. A graphic designer had done a lousy job erasing the wrinkles on my forehead. Even the freckles on my cheeks are erased. I look fairer and younger. Had I not seen myself in the mirror every morning, I would doubt this was a photograph of me. Inside the house, I see the tender hearts playing in a room while their favorite cartoon show plays on the screen in a corner. Varieties of biscuits, toffees and juices are spread on the floor. To me, the children seem to not care that the man in the picture at the altar was their Jojo. But I can hold off my karmic journey no longer. I turn to leave the room, but yearning for a final glimpse of their faces, I look back. They are all looking at the wall clock that has just struck 5:15 p.m. If you like this story, please like, share and subscribe. Until then, thanks for being with me. Thank you.